Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, Argyle, Texas. 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. I think that's what we're going to call it now, the Juniper. We've done, a good dozen of these at least, but this one's a full front with the two front windows tinted and the visor strip right there. I also did something for these people that I hope they like. They had this area. I got PPF starting here, runs all the way up to the front, and it wraps all the way around this and down. And then I covered this plate that says Tesla, but they had a big old ugly plastic thing there. So this is much more tasteful. You can't tell it's there, and it will protect it, obviously. So I threw that in there. There's the window tint. Perfect as always. Perfect edge. No gaps. Mirrors, we do these in one section, so I don't want to have a gap here. They're calling in the patterns for two pieces. I can get it in one and wrap it all the way around. The fender here, I'm just going right into it here. Fender fully wrapped in at the A-pillar, fully wrapped into the frunk. Hood 100%, all corners, edges, under the plastic. Cameras all the way underneath, no edges, done. Bumper and fender where they meet, fully wrapped in, all the way under the plastic. There's your tips of your fender and hood, fully wrapped. Everything looks fantastic. No dirt, no debris. Full correction to get any dust nibs out. Tesla has quite a bit of dust nibs in their clear coat or base coat. Nothing I can do on base coat, but we can take care of the clear coat, and this one turned out perfect. No adhesive marks, nothing on our end to mess up anything. Bumper, done very well. All this is all wrapped in. I wrapped this tow hook hole in and the tow hook cover, so we don't have any lines. All this is wrapped underneath, wrapped inside these holes, wrapped around the edges, and much more of the same over here. So everything looks fantastic. This person, I think, has been to 3 different installers in the past couple years, and they haven't had any success, so I'm quite confident. I don't think it gets any better than that. There's no lines, there's no marks. It's XPEL's Ultimate Plus film, best in the market. So hopefully she likes it, and I'm sure she will. And there it is. So clearbrawnorthdallas.com, clearbrawnorthdallas@gmail is our email. Cell 940-703-8301, landline 940-600-1308 or 214-414-3809. I still got more, but we'll just leave it at that. You guys need anything in reference to these items or products or the way that I do this, or find somebody in your area. I know quite a few people throughout the United States and a couple countries that wrap the same way. I'm Brent, and I'll be happy to help you. Take care. Have a great day.